how to join a motorcycle club in a right way. MC Club at yung mga kung paano ang pagpapatakbo, paano ang pagsali at wala ka talagang alam o mga idea sa pagra-rides. Napakadali para sa mga MC clubs na yan na mamolde ang isang bagong pasok na miyembro, and they make sure na they don't have bad habits or pick up bad habits syempre. Now, you don't have to worry if it is the right MC club or not. I mean, if it's the right club, they're gonna mentor you correctly. To be honest, they will teach you how to ride better. I mean, you're learning a ride with the certain members. Before they let you join the pack, they put you with some guys that are very experienced and help you learn how to ride nice and tight in a tight formation. Grabe, napapa-English yung ateng nyo. Ay, nako. So, if you're interested in joining a MC club, sending a message to a social media platform like Facebook, it could actually works. Dahil sa panahon ngayon, ang social media like Facebook ay napaka-effective na paraan para makasali sa isang grupo or club. At kapag nakakita ka na ng club na iyong napupusuan, all you need to do is to introduce yourself. That's the best thing you can do, and set on your bike and do where the MC club hang out. To be honest, they will call you over for a beer or a inuman session, and you can kinda start chatting from there. Just know that getting into a club experience comes from hanging out and getting to know deep. Just keep in mind that all MC club are welcoming new members, and very approachable. Just remember that the first step is hanging around with them, literally joining in their advanced ride and hanging out. Get to take your time, get to know the people, try to figure out if you want to actually join them. So that's all the basic way to get out there and meet people that are part of the MC Club culture and see if you're a good fit. Napakaganda talaga dumaan dito. Ang linis at ang luwang. Wala pang traffic. Ayos. Pasensya na sa pagsasalita ko. Medyo hiningal po tayo. Kaya drive muna. Papunta tayo nito sa EB meeting namin with ARC-PRCA Club. Ano pa ba ang pwede ko sabihin? Halos nasabi ko na lahat. Basta yun lang po, madali lang po yung pagsali. Kung interesado po kayo, pwede rin kayo mag-join din sa amin kung gusto nyo. Just PM us. Welcome na welcome po kayo. Lahat ng solo riders, newbies, may mga other group na. Welcome po kayo. Basta gusto nyo lang. At ngayong araw nga na ito ay kakaroon kami ng EB meeting as usual kila